Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanu Wellness. Today we're discussing when to seek professional help for your back pain. While minor pain can be managed with self-care, there are certain signs and symptoms that indicate it's time for you to consult a healthcare expert. In this video, we'll cover 6 indicators such as persistent pain, severe pain, radiating pain, numbness or tingling, loss of bowel or bladder control, and worsening of symptoms. Understanding these signs can help you take informed decisions about your health. So if you're ready, let's get started. Here's what we'll be covering today. First, we'll discuss what constitutes severe and persistent pain. Then, we'll look at radiating type of pain and symptoms that cause tingling, numbness. We'll also address serious signs such as bowel and bladder control and worsening of symptoms over the period of time. So make sure to watch till the end because we have a special tip on a pain journal to assist your healthcare provider. So let's dive in. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you don't want to miss on our latest videos packed with tips and solutions, then you have to ring the notification bell. Let's start with persistent pain. Back pain that lasts for extended periods, say over a month, despite self-care measures such as rest, ice, hot pack, over-the-counter medications, and still it is not reducing, it's a signal to seek professional help. Persistent pain could indicate an underlying condition such as it could be a slipped disc or a herniated disc, spinal stenosis, or even a chronic condition such as a degenerative disc disease. For instance, you've been experiencing pain, say more than 2 months, and if it is not reducing at all, that is the time you have to consult a healthcare professional to determine the cause for an appropriate treatment. Next, we have severe pain. Intense back pain can significantly affect our day-to-day activities, which is a strong indicator that you need professional evaluation. Severe pain can interfere with your ability to stand, sit comfortably, or even walk comfortably. This level of pain might be due to some serious injury like a fracture, or even it could be an acute condition that needs immediate medical intervention. And if you're finding yourself waking up at night with that severe type of pain, it's a time for you to consult a healthcare expert. We love to hear from you. Share your experiences with back pain and any particular tip you've been following to manage your back pain. Always remember, your insights could help others find relief and also seek the right care. Don't go anywhere, we have a special tip at the end of this video on keeping a pain journal to assist your healthcare provider. So stay tuned. Next is radiating pain. That kind of pain that extends into your legs or arms that suggests nerve involvement such as sciatica. This type of pain often indicates that there is pressure on the nerve root, which can be due to conditions such as herniated disc or spinal stenosis if it's in the lower body. For example, if you're experiencing sharp shooting pain down your leg which travels from your back, it's important for you to seek medical advice immediately, because if you ignore this kind of radiating kind of pain, there will be further nerve damage. So seeking treatment promptly is very important when there is nerve involvement. Another crucial sign is numbness or tingling, particularly in the feet or your legs. These sensations can indicate nerve root compression or any type of damage. Remember, numbness and tingling are often associated with conditions such as slip disc and where the nerves are irritated or the nerve is impinged. If you experience these symptoms alongside back pain for a prolonged time, it's crucial for you to seek medical attention. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent further nerve damage, like I mentioned earlier also. This will help manage your symptoms effectively. Loss of bowel and bladder is a serious symptom that requires immediate medical attention. This could indicate there's a condition known as cauda equina syndrome, which involves severe compression of the nerves at the lower end of the spinal cord. Symptoms include difficulty in urinating, loss of sensation in the groin area, and loss of bowel and bladder function. Cauda equina syndrome is a medical emergency. Remember that it requires prompt treatment, which is essential to prevent permanent damage. So if you experience these symptoms, seek medical emergency help. Finally, let's talk about worsening symptoms. If your back pain worsens over the period of time, or if it's not improving despite of you taking self-care and home treatments, it's time to see a healthcare professional. Progressive pain can be a sign of worsening underlying condition that needs medical intervention. For example, if you notice your pain is increasing day by day, or if your new symptoms are arising, such as increased stiffness, reduced mobility, it's a time for you to consult a healthcare expert. Remember, early intervention can only help you and prevent further complications. As promised, here's our special tip. Keeping a pain journal that can incredibly helpful while seeking medical advice for your back pain. Track your symptoms, include the type of pain, location of pain, severity and duration of your pain. Also include, what you do, what are your activities throughout the day, or some certain positions that increase or decrease your symptoms. This information can help your healthcare professional to make accurate diagnosis and develop an effective treatment plan. For example, if you're noting that your pain is increasing or decreasing after certain movements, or when you do stretches or you take hot bags, your pain reduces, that is a very valuable insight for your healthcare professional. Regularly updating your pain journal ensures that you have detailed information to share during your medical appointment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Tanu Wellness, and hit the notification bell. This way you will not miss our future videos. Thanks for watching and take care.